Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty now, what's up ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Samurai Black Zach, and today we're going to do another unboxing. Now, this unboxing is Sekiro Shadows Die Twice. The, I think it's the special edition, the one with the statue and the yada 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 and all that stuff. Now, the game, came out Thursday. It came out Thursday. But I didn't get it up until Saturday, so shout outs to the guys at GameStop for holding on to it for me. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell for more daily content. Alright, so here is the box. Now all we gotta do is just open it up. Let's see. Where are my keys? Where's my key? Let me get my key out. Yeah, hold on a sec. Alright. Here we go. Good God, how many times had they stuck? I don't know. One more. Just one more. GameStop was like, yeah, we're going to put this in extra security this time. Paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. The steel case. And what's better with the steel case than with the game on the inside of the steel case? Now we also got the book, which contains mostly artwork from content, of course. Tells us the story. Oh yeah, I don't know if y'all can see. There we go, that's better. Sorry for not, the camera situation, all that stuff. The stories and all that stuff, artwork. How exclusive is that? Now what else we got here? Woo! Digital soundtrack. Wait, I ain't gonna show you the code because I know most of y'all gonna try to use it. And we also got a couple of other stuff, such as, oh dang it, this I think this is the katana. I think this is its katana right here. Yeah, this is a piece of the katana. As for a scroll, I guess we could see what it looks like. Why not? It's a map of Japan during the feudal era. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. How exclusive is this? Oh my gosh, man. I'm gonna tie this back up soon. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, so here's the statue. Apparently it broke for I don't know what reason, for it. But this is the ninja, looking pretty smooth. And this little blade goes right towards his katana. God damn it. Hold up. Sheesh. Has to go in all the way. And last but not least, we have these. Well, it's hard to get out, but we got these coins, coins right here from the game itself. And that does it for this video. It's your boy Samurai Blackjack. Once again, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and tap that notifications bell for more daily content.